Well, do I have a Mount Rushmore I like to show y'all? I reckon this is like a open tag. Someone hit me up last night and said, you need to do this, man. So, let's do it. How many people's on Mount Rushmore? I'm just thinking. Is it 4? I think it's 4. I don't know. So I'm going to show 4 knives from Mount Rushmore to me. And this company that I'm going to be showing is GEC's. Now, number 1 on my Mount Rushmore, you guys might think I'm a little cray. That's okay. I'm going to do my 68 stag. Now, to me, this is a Northfield's unXL'd Great Eastern Cutlery. They call this the White Owl in stag. The tank stamp on it says 681221, so it's a 2021 model. To me, this is a great filling knife in hand. You don't get much better than this. Now, this is like an equal end knife because you got the pin blade on the opposite end than the main blade, the clip point. And you can see this just got a regular cat's eye nail nick on the pin blade. Oh, you hear that snap? That snap, my goodness. Now the clip point has got the teeners on it, but you can see it's a long pull, and it's got the swedging, and it's got that Bowie style clip point. That's my favorite in the world. Let me tell y'all, my favorite. No half stops, but listen. My goodness, ain't that a good looking knife? That's got to walk and talk, my friends. And check this other one out. It's similar to that one. This is a jackknife. It's also a 68 jack. It's got the Mexican burl wood. It's got the pin blade. And it's got that same Bowie style blade, long pull. It's pretty much the exact same as the White Owl, but this one they call the Pony Jack. The main difference is the handle cover. One is wood and one stag, but the main difference is this one's an equal style end, and this one's a jack style. This was made in 2021 too. But this one is a Titio line. So this was the lower end line, and this is the higher end line. So that's 2 of them. And before I get started here, I'll show y'all. Look here. 4-finger knife. That's all I need. I don't need nothing gigantic that I have to choke up on. I'm already choked up on this. So that's why I like it the best. Look at that. You can use that pin blade for anything. Same with this one. It's the exact same knife. It's just the blades are in different spots on the knife. you can look. No brass on this one. This one's all steel, carbon steel. All the liners and everything on the pony jack is all stainless steel. And on the White Owl, it's brass pins. It's got pinch bolsters, fluted bolsters. This one's done up a lot compared to where the pony jack is just plain. It's just a plain chain, but I like it. But y'all know this is the top dog right now. I absolutely love it. And then my second one, let me dig it out the pocket. You know what I'm saying? Gotta dig it out. So I got it in this Stephen Jeffries slip. And this one is my Viper, one of 16 SOF knife. This knife is the Viper. This is also a titty oak cutlery version. It's got that green micarta. It's got a worn style blade. It's a sway back. It's got brass pins, brass liners. It's got a lanyard hoe. It's got half stops. And this one on the tank stamp is a 470120. So it's a 2020 model blade. But they made this out of parts from 2016, 2020, and 2021. So this knife is special. Let's say half stops. Straight down Broadway. So that's number 3 of my Mount Rushmore of knives. Now number 4. So I was standing outside and I said, I can't do 5 or 4. Can't just do 4. I gotta do 5. So I had to come back in the house. I was thinking about them in the head. I said, I can't leave this one out for sure, and I can't leave this one out for sure. So let's just do it. This is my green bone Cody Scout. This is a 72 silver bullet right there. This is an unXL version. It's got fluted bolsters. It's straight down Broadway. Brass pins. Brass liners. This knife here is really special to me. This is the very first knife I traded for ever. First trade I ever done, and it was for this knife. So I had to have it. I had to put it in. You can see it's got the long pull. This one is a 2023. This is a 72 model, and it is a 2023. Love it. And then my 5th knife is my 86 burnt orange bone Barlow. Smooth bone. It's got the GEC on the badge, or on the bolster I mean, with the tree with the acorns. I think that sets this knife off so much. It is straight down Broadway, is it? Yeah. Brass pins, brass liners, and this knife has got the walk and it's got the talk. Listen, Come on. This one is Great Eastern Cutlery Tidio version 2, I do believe. But there's a kicker to this one. This one ain't 1095 steel like the rest. This one is 440C high carbon. So this is a stainless steel piece. Check it out. Hope you guys can see that. Now I hope you guys enjoyed my Mount Rushmore of GEC Great Eastern Cutlery pocket knives. And y'all go check out the maker of this open tag. He did moderns yesterday, and that is HT. Go check him out. Y'all stay classy. You hear?